Hey everyone, today I will show you how to extract text from images using OCR in a .NET WPF or Windows Forms app. This is completely free, requires no third-party services, and works with unlimited images. But first, let's set up our project properly. After we create a .NET 8 project, whether it be a WPF project or Windows Forms project, the first thing we need to do is adding this NuGet package to our project. If you are using Windows Forms, you might see some errors after adding the package. Don't panic, just follow the next steps. Next, let's tweak the project file to support Windows Runtime APIs. To open the project file, just double-click the project name in a Solution Explorer. Now, set the target platform. This tells the project it's built for Windows. After that, specify the Windows version. The first one is the Windows version you are targeting, and the second one is the minimum version required to run the app. Finally, enable Windows SDK and runtime support. These settings unlock all the Windows Runtime APIs we will be using. Now, to apply the changes, right-click on the project, select Unload Project. Right-click again, select Reload Project. And that's it. Now, your Windows Forms or WPF app is ready to use Windows Runtime APIs. Now, the coding part. I have an image with a nutrition information, and I want to extract the text from it. It first loads the image as a storage file. Next, it opens a stream from the file. After that, it gets a decoder and converts it to a software bitmap. Then we pass this software bitmap to the OCR engine class. Here, we need to tell the OCR engine class what language to use. By default, I am using US English, but if I want simplified Chinese, I need to install it first. To add a new language in Windows, open Start menu, search for Add a Language. Click Add a Language in the Preferred Languages section. Install the one you need. Once installed, we can pass it to the OCR engine class, and it will recognize text in that language. Alright, let's run the app and see the results. The text is successfully extracted from the image. Like this, we can process unlimited scanned images. It has no restrictions. And the best part is, it is completely free. Alright, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I will also provide links to the sample projects in the video description. Thank you.